Okay, in this session, we get back to the good old discussion on the pyramids. I've been listening to a presentation by an Egyptologist about the pyramid's height multiplied by 43,200, giving the polar radius of the Earth, the pyramid's base multiplied by 43,200, giving the equatorial radius of the Earth and all that. No, it's all fine. See, the point is, as long as we do not know why the base should be a measure which, when multiplied by 43,200, gives equatorial radius of the Earth, what is the point discussing that? Because we don't know why it should be that. We don't know what purpose it serves, that base into 43,200, giving you the equatorial radius. If it doesn't serve any purpose as far as our science stands at this point of time, the discussion should not be hanging around this point. Similarly, I've been listening to a point made by the Egyptologists that pyramids would have been built by a human civilization which was lost, which sounds extremely infeasible, almost impossible. Because the idea is, even at this point where civilization stands, at a point where it has the internet, it has artificial intelligence, it has done a number of space odysseys, we are not able to build something of the proportion or dimension of the pyramid, or even the precision of the pyramid. Now, how can you imagine that very many years back we had a civilization which was well ahead of the civilization at this point of time? Please note, we are now at a point where the civilization has artificial intelligence, it has the capacity for space journey, it claims to have landed on the moon, it is going on from internet to blockchain. So even at this point, we do not understand why the dimensions of the pyramid should be that. We do not even understand how it was built, or how such precision can be attained. So there is no point discussing a human civilization being behind the construction of the pyramid and this particular civilization being lost. Obviously, we should be discussing the possibility of a civilization from some other galaxy, planet, which is light years ahead of our civilization, being the root cause of construction of the pyramid. It's not as if it is the handiwork of a human civilization which was lost. Because along the way, we could not have lost a civilization which is well ahead of the current state of our civilization, current state of science. So it's not about a human civilization which was lost. It's all about an alien civilization which was light years ahead of our current civilization. So we should look at this from a practical angle. And if you are saying that the dimension of the pyramid are such that it is a correlation with the measurement of the equatorial radius and polar radius and all that, well and good. But as long as we do not understand what purpose it serves, what purpose does the height into 43,200, giving the polar radius of the Earth, what purpose does it serve? We do not understand. So there is no point discussing all that. We should be discussing whether the pyramids can be built by the technology that existed at that point of time, or even the technology that exists at this point of time? The answer to both questions is absolutely not. It's not possible. So if that is the case, it cannot be a lost human civilization. It has to be an alien civilization. That's a point that I would like to make. Thank you very much.